Hi artists, I'm here to show you a little demo drawing for your Studio 2 project. Drawing a simple object. Now, according to the directions, you need to have 2 drawings showing an element of art and 2 drawings showing principles of design. So whenever you are drawing, it's best to draw from observation. So actually I'm drawing a pumpkin today. So I have my pumpkin and I have it in front of me. The other thing you need to do is have your materials ready. I have my pencil, my eraser, I have a tissue if I need it, and my paintbrushes and paints are also ready for when I want to add color to my pumpkin. Alright, so to get started you want to look at the basic form. In this case, the form is round. It's kind of, pumpkins are, some are round, some are oval, so let's get started. So we're going to just draw a basic oval shape. Whenever you draw, you want to draw very lightly. I'm going to draw a little bit darker than I really would want, just to so that you can see it better. So I have my basic kind of circular shape here, and I start with my stem. And you want to bring the stem into the pumpkin, not on top of it. So when you're drawing from observation, you want to follow the lines and go slowly. My stem here is pretty tall. You see a lot of lines in it. Okay, so I have my stem. So we want to draw some curvy lines. You can start from the stem, and on the right side you would bring a curvy line down and kind of show the bump at the bottom, bring it back up. Another curvy line coming down from the center, show the bump in the bottom. And on this side, you would draw your curvy line kind of almost like a backward C, show the bump at the bottom. And just keep on drawing. Get that bump in there. Follow kind of the curved lines that you made from your original circle. Then towards the back, we just kind of do a little bit of one. And then you would come back in here and erase the lines you don't want. And that's your basic pumpkin shape, and we can say that this is line, or you could call it form. So down at the bottom you want to write down the element that you chose. In this case I chose line. Form would also work. So you want to repeat that drawing over on the other side. Again, you want to draw some observation. Take your time, your eye, and as if your eye is connected to your pencil. So actually I think we're going to add a little color to this. So we want to prepare our palette. I'm going to have a little bit of orange on my palette. A little bit of yellow. Some green. There's some greens and browns in the stem for sure. I'm going to add some green and a little bit of brown. going to start out with adding some yellow and give it a little bit of a base here. So a little bit of orange in there. And add a teeny bit of red to mix a darker orange. Okay, we have a nice orange going on there. We can add that to my pumpkin. I'm going to add a little bit of orange up on the stem, but I'm also going to add some green and some browns up there. It's always a good idea to have a little bit of water available to clean your brush also. And we want to add some darker colors down along the ridges of the pumpkin. You can add a little bit, mix a little brown into your orange, make it a little darker there. You want to be conscious of where the shadows are. And when finished, you would add the word color for the element that you chose. The third and fourth drawing will be your principles of design. So again, you want to draw your pumpkin. And I'm going to draw it over here as well. this